spend another $1,000 on random things on eBay and Amazon. So let's see what I got. There's another Zoa lighter. Check this out. So this is a slide pull. Don't have any safety, so like semi-automatic lighter, whatever they call the automatic lighter. Usually they list it on the title. Anyways, there's a flame, there's a flint. So let's check this out, see how it's going to burn. This is quite unique lighter for sure. Skinny and big. Boom. So we're gonna open it up and fill it up. Okay. Hopefully it'll be enough. Quite easy to refill it. Also on these lighters, I don't mind screw on tops. Like you know how zippers pull out. This one's just as easy. Okay, you wanna give it a little minute for it to settle down, but let's see how fast it's gonna reach to the wick. Wow, pretty much instantly. So as you can see, like a medium soft flame lighter. I guess you could adjust the wick. Beautiful. Just press it like that and it flies out. And as you can see, there's a little cover for the vibration. So you can light it this way or that way. Beautiful little lighter. And I really love the look of this like a brass lighter. Obviously it's new. There's a lot of vintage brass lighters. I really like the new ones as well. Next I got right here a German Puma knife. So this is a Fishin Knife. It's a scale and a knife at the same time. How unique is that? A lot of people probably will mistake it that it's some kind of like a bowl to maybe like kill the fish or something, but that's not what it is. This is a counterweight. It's not a bet. I don't know if there's instructions. Sometimes they sell it with the instruction. This is just tells you how to sharpen the blade and just general stuff. But let me show you how this one works real quickly. Just open it like that. And so what you will do is probably unspin this thing right here. Nice. This is like a leather stain. And as you can see, whenever we're going to grab it, it's obviously counterweight is completely going sideways. But if you're going to grab and hand a fish while it's still on a hook or something and measure it like 3/4, 1, 1/2, 1 1/2 and 2. I guess it's in pounds. Probably could look it up in the instruction. And we would hang the fish on these little edges while it's still on the line. And that way what you will do is try to get a counterbalance whenever it's like this in the middle. If it's too much, then the fish is too heavy and heavier than that, so you have to adjust it closer to here. If it's lighter, you gotta adjust it closer to here. So quite unique, right? Oh, this one is 1/4 and 1/3 as well. I didn't see it. It's really small numbers, but you see 1/4, 1/3, half, 3/4, 1, 1 1/2 and 2. So the lighter the fish is, the closer to the edge you're going to hang it, and if it's still not equal like that, you just constantly will adjust it till it's equal, and that way you'll know approximate weight. So this is pretty awesome. Very unique fishing knife, scale at the same time, like I never seen before. And this is like a mint condition, never used. How does this look? Like this. So this is what my knife collection is about. Very interesting, unique knives like that. Check this out. This blade goes like this in and out. I think it says something right here in German maybe, but it says in kilo, so I think it's weights in kilos. So probably up to 2 kilos. But yeah, 2 kilogram fish is gonna be big enough fish for you to try to use it. Anything bigger than 2 kilos, I guess this knife scale will be kind of useless. But yeah, amazing. So you definitely don't want to mess this up. Wrap it up and take care of this string. Yeah, I should have bought one with the actual picture instruction. Those sell for a lot more. This thing sells in a really good condition like that for around $300 minimum. There you go, Puma knives, really high quality, awesome knives. I really like them a lot. Next, I showed you before colored bars, 0.1 gram. There's a lot of people do not like gold because their argument is in case of a hyperinflation, how do you trade gold if you have 1 ounce of gold that is worth $10,000? I mean, in the future, in case there is a hyperinflation, how do you buy bread and such? Well, guess what? This is why they have created this spendable gold. This is only 0.4 gram. So this is highly fractional, and also you don't have to worry about having it too small either, because you can actually fit your wallet just like your paper money. So yeah, as you can see, there's a few bars over here. What is this dirt? Yeah, you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bars of 0.1 gram. So that makes it 0.4 grams. And on each side it says colored bars. So colored gold cash. This one it says copyrighted in 2016. So yeah, that's unique. If you're collecting some unique paper money or gold cash, there's quite a few different ones. 0.6 gram. That's beautiful. Okay, main difference is nothing, just different color to it. So yeah, there you go, fractional gold. Another way to invest in gold in case you still want to spend it during the crazy inflation. Yeah, you can use it, but that's not why we invest in gold and silver. From what I understand, people invest in gold and silver to preserve the wealth. But yeah, pretty awesome. Next I got here bill and exchange. This is like a eBay seller, or I guess one of those gold, silver and metal seller on the internet. So yeah, they're pretty big and they have come out with their own dice. This thing has a really high premium. So yeah, probably wouldn't be using it that much. But again, this is just 2 ounces each and 3/9 fine silver bill exchange dice. So I guess you get the bull as 1, and yeah, you got it here 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. 2 exact same ones, and guess what? They're heftier little things. This is right here 4 ounces. So yeah, beautiful. They go pure silver dice. A lot of people say, what are you gonna do with all that silver? It's just a bunch of coins. You don't have to buy coins. You can actually invest in something very unique and useful like that. If silver goes to nothing, you can just pull it out and play games with that. Just regular board games, right? So anyways, really cool. I think it's pretty unique. There's right here only 5,000 minted of them, so limited edition. Next knife I got right here, from what I understand, come from Spain, and this is vintage one. There's a Branford Mill. So the reason why I'm bringing this knife up again, because I showed you before a really cheap knockoff remake that easy to find, but the originals, it's really hard to find. Like this one is very expensive for the collector value of that knives. So you just pull on it and open, and you get right here a really big, like pretty much kitchen knife or like camping knife for any uses. If you wanted to make it half smaller, check out this one. You just lift it up and it will lift it and let you drop the blade. You see it? And so you can just cut the knife in half, and you can still use this knife, but now much smaller knife. That is so cool. And also to put it away, just put it in the knife sheath, and guess what, for its vintage condition, this knife has been taken care of so well, and who knows how many of them are there in a nice condition like that. And for collector, right, collector, you can get some nice decent money for it. So yeah, take care of your knives. Again, let me show it to you close up, the burnt of it, made in Spain. Yeah, definitely Spanish knife. These letters kind of come off a little bit, but yeah, it's still beautiful design. I guess people would grab it right here to open it. Yeah, kind of makes sense. You would be holding it right here, so the wear and tear on these letters will be pretty high. But yeah, I really love that. Almost like a dagger knife. But yeah, you could probably use it for camping as well. Love the handle as well. Maybe elk, I don't know. Maybe deer. And whenever you want to close it, again, just grab it like that, lift it, and then just close it slowly. Beautiful. So again, this is my favorite parts about knives. Unique knives like that. This is the coolest knives you can get, in my opinion. But yeah, everybody loves and like different things.